Can employers legally ask for all background check info? Imagine applying for a new job and wondering what questions are fair game for the employer to ask. It's a common concern, especially with so many rules around background checks. Let's break down what employers can and cannot ask for during the hiring process. First, employers need your written permission before they can run any background check. This means they must get your signature on a consent form. Without this, they cannot legally access your personal information. They also have to give you a clear notice that a background check might be done. This notice should be separate from other paperwork and explain what kind of information they will look into. When it comes to the types of information, employers can request details about your past jobs, education, criminal history, and sometimes financial records. But laws like the Fair Credit Reporting Act restrict what they can see, especially for jobs paying less than $75,000 a year. For example, they cannot ask for or use certain sensitive data that could lead to discrimination. There are two main kinds of background checks. Consumer reports focus on credit and criminal records. Investigative consumer reports may include interviews with friends or neighbors about your character. Employers must be careful not to use this information to discriminate based on race, gender, age, or other protected traits. Laws like the Civil Rights Act of 1964 protect against this kind of bias. Different states have their own rules too. For example, California has strict laws about what background information can be collected and how it must be handled. Employers in California need to follow the California Investigative Consumer Reporting Agencies Act and the California Consumer Credit Reporting Agencies Act. During hiring and onboarding, transparency is key. Employers should tell you exactly what information they want and how they plan to use it. If you find any incorrect information in a background report, you have the right to dispute it. Employers must give you a chance to correct or explain any issues before making a final decision. In summary, employers can ask for a lot of background information, but they must follow strict legal rules. They need your permission, clear notices, and must respect your rights to privacy and fairness. By understanding these rules, you can be confident that your background check process is fair and lawful.